For my found object teapot, I used a paint canister that we have previously used, and it has a lid too. I just didn't put it on there. I used that for the body of the teapot. I used a paper roll, empty one, and I sawed this down so it would angle up like a teapot does. And then I snapped this off of a hanger and hot glued it on the sides for the handle because I thought that looked like a handle already. And for my principles, I used unity and variety by combining 3 different objects to make one thing. I use contrast with the different lightness and darkness and different textures because this has textures and this is real smooth. I also use scale and proportion because of the different sizes that are combined. Elements, I used form because of the different shapes. This is a cylinder, this is a 3D cylinder, and this is organic shape. I also use texture with the texture on this compared to this and this. This is really smooth, this is really smooth, and this is kind of rough and bumpy. And I use value with the different lightness to darkness. This is darker, this is a little shiny and lighter, and this is very light because it's white. If I was to change something, I would try to put the lid and put something to open the teapot to put a little more character, or I would paint in a different color if you were allowed to do that to make it look like one solid thing.